Oh shoot. Okay. There's like room connection and everything on it. So what you do is like it sends sound signals so you can hear it through your then it tests it through the microphone. So I recently got a new microphone on TV, so I was like, screw it, I'm gonna do it. So what the crap happened here? Dude, look at this!
Oh, wait, hold on. I'm joining.
Minecraft kid?
Hey Ben.
Somebody join me.
Okay,
Just
now you're gonna
look
ignore
at
me.
this.
That's okay.
Hold on, guys. I'm loading up right now.
Ben. Wait, how come? You just ignore me too.
Why am I downloading PH Restaurant? I already have that.
What the? Someone like exploded all over.
Yeah, somebody exploded. Literally, somebody exploded.
Okay,
And I
how many
wonder
people
if
do we
that's
have in
a
the game
thing.
right now?
There are guts everywhere.
Yeah, I accidentally forgot to disable that.
What do you mean?
I want to see.
Oh, do they?
Like, okay,
You
there's a
have
mod
that, like,
called like
extreme
Gimbles.
blood
Oh
mod.
no, it's gone.
Yeah, there's like Gimbles something that like makes
Yeah,
your
I
player
have the
model
extreme
explode.
blood mod. I have the
This
extreme
is
blood
so
mod.
freaking
You, like,
epic.
it's so stupid because if you have like 1 health, you fall off like a 3-foot ledge and you just explode and you're everywhere.
Oh, I know where Jacob is. He's in the basement.
Oh, cool. Let me go look down there then.
Ha,
Okay.
trickery.
Cause I definitely believe.
Wait, guys, Chris, are you still here?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay.
You could say that I'm boxing.
Yeah, Chris,
My way to
the
victory.
message is butts for some reason. That's Hunter's idea.
You could say my spot's
No,
pretty
it-
trash.
It's like my
Capital
password
B.
for everything.
Ha.
Did you say Bob?
Every time I play with Ben, his password is penis.
It actually used to be taco, so
Toilet, you put her inside. In
Okay,
the
guys,
in the
I'm sending quiet info.
That's my Jacob. That's not a
Um,
box.
wait, I heard a door open. I freaking heard a door open. Oh wait, that was the
You
door
bounced me.
behind me. Forget it.
Okay, guys.
Okay, then.
That's not a box.
Shoot, shoot the boxes.
Guys,
You don't.
Why is there
guys,
like
I need to end the call because I'm
Alright.
downloading shit like. Hey, I'm more bad than you. Shut the fuck up.
Hunter, you're just going to health. You're not
I'm
doing anything.
downloading stuff at like. I'm
Okay,
downloading
bye,
stuff at
Ben.
like
Come back
200
a bit.
kilobytes per second, so I'll call back.
Okay.
Okay.
there's- what? Where?
What is this?
Where the crap?
Oh my gosh.
Taco. Yum. I don't know.
Nice, Jacob.
He's a Garry can.
There's the carry can.
Where? Where's the freak is a dairy can?
There's like 4 of them. You just stepped on one. Just shoot it.
You could say that I'm boxing my way to victory, hint
It's
hint.
not a box, Jacob.
Oh my! You're not a. There's tons of boxes.
Wait, hold on.
That doesn't
I'm
help.
I'm gonna go into the free play. Okay, Chris.
I'm a box.
am here. You could say that I'm a planter when it comes to victory. Well, that
I can see you.
made no sense.
Okay,
my
now,
God.
now you're just like
Jacob.
oh my! You're not. Now you're making a hint that you're a plant.
I guess
You're
you could
just
say
saying you're
Jacob's
a box.
creating a path to victory.
I give up.
that
You know
even
what?
a
I'm gonna go to the kitchen and blow
Oh my
everything
God.
up and kill myself.
You got
Okay?
30
That's
seconds.
exactly what I'm gonna do.
Oh,
I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, you ready? You ready? You ready? Yay!
Everything is on fire.
Chris, join a team, okay?
Okay.
We're going.
Oh, props win. Okay. I'm props now.
You don't know the power
where's
of the
everybody?
dark side.
How do you like
guys.
get the teams?
Oh,
I've
okay,
been
okay.
a while since I've been to this. Who's Minecraft?
If you're a hunter,
Guys, I know the perfect spot. Who is it?
There we
Guys, he's in
go.
front of you right here. Oh, you just disappeared.
I can't see, guys. Why is this?
Guys,
It's because you're a hunter and hunters they don't see at the beginning.
What's this thing you
I'm
call
not how
hunter?
to change teams.
you just click on one, okay?
What is a hunter?
No, I'm at spectating mode right now.
Oh,
Dude,
now you're in spectating mode
Okay,
because
well-
you haven't selected a team yet.
Wait, were you guys already on blinded?
Yeah, I
Yeah,
just got
I'm just on
online.
Oh crap!
I saw somebody as a team man somewhere. I'm not gonna say where, but I did. Okay.
I'm stuck.
Wait, I can't tell how many this is.
Looking into the kitchen like a loser. Trying to jump on a table on a chair like a loser.
Okay, you played this game
Oh,
last
whoa,
time.
whoa. I saw that door open.
Oh.
Does anyone see me?
I did.
Oh my god.
Guys, who is that? I just walked by me.
No, I'm Dirty Dan.
Who's
Minecraft
seeing me right now?
Oh
Oh, what the heck?
There he goes.
Who's mine?
my god. Dude, look at me. You gotta look at me.
Why
I'm
did you
freaking
shoot your
solid.
comrade?
Look at me. Look at me. I'm solid. Nobody will guess where I am.
Who is you?
God dang it. Minecraft was like, are you guys gonna invite me to the calls? Like, who is you?
Well, I just pulled out my Windows keyboard. Crap just got real.
Why am I?
2K plus 14 saying crap.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm surprised like nobody's found me yet, but they probably won't. There's like 2 people left. It's me and Minecraft
Can we
Son.
do, or can there be like hints?
Wait, hold on, guys. How does Chris get out of spectating mode?
You have to wait till
You have to
next
click
round.
one of, you have to press
Okay.
F, I think it's F2, and then you have to, it's either F2 or F3, a menu should pop up and click one of the teams.
Oh yeah, it's F2. Chris, click F2 and then
I'm
click.
almost dead.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, Chris, did you do that?
Okay, guys.
Hold on.
Mass extinction time.
Oh, there
No
we go.
one's gonna find me, but da da da
Wait,
da,
wait,
no
so,
one's
quick
gonna...
question. Quick question. How long is this game
What?
going to last?
Okay, Chris is on my team. That's good.
Yeah, it's like
It's
rounds
probably,
for
it's
4
like
minutes.
as long as we want, it just has a certain amount, it has like 9 rounds, so we're
You're
gonna
like,
vote
give
like...
me a time on when this call will end.
I'm so good. Something's creating script errors, that's nice.
Like 11 p.m. or like 2
Right here,
o'clock
but I
in the
can't
morning.
figure out
I
who
need
it
an
is or what they
estimate.
are. Every time I go to
Okay, just pop, move 2 inches to the left.
I think you can. What's the taunt button?
Oh my god.
F3.
Is that
Whoops!
Who's Minecraft Son?
I don't know.
He's
Guys,
one of my friends.
Can you guys stop using chat? Because I'm recording right now, and I don't want to spam up like the entire chat thing the whole time.
Yeah, like, I'm recording right now too, so...
Alright.
I like potatoes.
Guys, let's stop questioning everything and just like. Okay, guys.
We're not gonna do
Wait,
it.
look at this
No,
stove.
I'm gonna win.
Guys, what size is your cup?
Oh, I'm definitely in that room we just opened. Yeah, I'm most definitely in that room we walked into the 2 doors that opened
Wow,
on
this
that.
team is really stacked.
Ah, god dang it!
What? Ugh. Minecraft Son is left.
Oh wow, he's pretty good.
What is this crap? I've been spectating him like almost the whole time.
You can't even see him. Oh wow, I know what he
Oh, boy.
is.
Oh wait,
Oh, is he inside or outside?
guys, there's a hunter nearby
He-
with 50.
you could say he's getting some fresh air.
He's outside. Do
He
it.
got teabagged by a dude. Okay, guys, whoever has 50% health there, you just teabag. Wait, why is there a health box on top of
It's a
this?
water bottle.
Guys are so close.
Water bottle.
Just so close.
Guys, you guys know how to. Shut up.
No, I don't even know which one he is. I'm just guessing.
All right.
What?
I'm gonna have to turn up Skype
What
real
is this?
quick.
You guys are just like.
I knew it.
What the heck?
Dude, he was there.
Oh boy.
That was violent.
There we go. I've turned it
Hey,
up.
we've got the upper hand. 4v3.
Yes, we win.
Wait, is Ben downloading Gmod right now?
I would totally download like Steam and shit on my laptop, but
That we win.
like
We win.
you know,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a drink of water.
Oh.
I'm gonna take
yeah.
a drink of my drink. Yeah, hold on. Let me quickly just take a drink of my water. Guys,
he's
don't.
thirsty.
Guys, if you're ever playing Minecraft, do not give Chris
I'm gonna take
coal
a
to
drink of
drink it.
my drink.
I gave Chris coal when we were playing Minecraft, and he drank the thing.
Well, you can't say brand names online.
Because I gave him,
jerk.
like, we were playing on the Xbox 360 edition. I know, it's not as good, it's kind of stupid, but we were playing, and I give him coal, and I'm
What?
like, yeah, oh, Chris, here's some coal. And he's like, sweet. And I was like, you don't drink coal. And he's like,
You drank coal?
You just got drink
Not
coal.
by my son.
You drink coal. get
What the
one.
heck's happening to me? Guys. Okay, there we go. My W button locked up, and I was just ramming into things.
I need things to
Oh,
draw.
Okay,
What?
here you can draw some then.
Oh, that's the plan.
Draw a circle.
That's the
Then to
plan.
the left of you, draw another circle. then draw an arc connecting both circles.
Oh, Chris just got
Done.
Dang it, I was like taunting too hard.
I was just
Oh,
watching
hold on,
you
hold on.
These
Hold
doors
on,
were
I'll
open.
draw-
I don't
I'll
know
draw
if
that
anybody's
one.
in
You
here,
just
but I'm
gotta-
gonna go.
You just gotta like give me
You
like
just have to
15
go.
minutes. Please.
Okay, and then write, this is Corey on it.
Oh god, I didn't hear what you're drawing, but I don't know what's happening here.
No. I'm a professional at drawing dicks. You just gotta trust me.
Okay,
Alright.
that's
Cool.
good.
Hey, now
I
that
guess you could say keep boxing to win this.
Hey,
I'm a
shut up.
boss.
Dang it, would you stop giving me stupid box hints? I've not. Okay, who's
Oh
spray
man,
painted their
Minecraft Sun's
tag in
gonna
here?
leave.
He
Minecraft
needs some
Sun's
fresh
done.
air.
So.
Someone's in. God dang
Hit
it.
him some for
confusing.
breeze. Hit him some for breeze.
No!
Well, I guess.
I don't know. I went behind the truck and fired a nade. Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay, give me like something.
He's.
I guess you
I
guys
think
can
he's
file
feeling
this
a
one
little
under
bit.
loss.
I don't
Okay.
know.
Would you
What? What was he?
Yeah, he's a filing cabinet in the basement. I know that much.
I'm near. I can hear him.
I think
Yeah,
one
I
of them's
don't
like
know.
in the
I'm
kitchen
on
somewhere.
Me and the hunter just went downstairs. I can't stop.
Son of a gun. I'm sorry.
Where was
Okay, he's a file
It was
bot
under
somewhere.
It was right here.
Oh, just murdered your
Okay,
time.
I said we should kick Ida,
Yeah.
please. He's
Okay, guys, I got this.
Dude, that trash can.
No.
Oh, yes. This will
Oh.
work.
Okay.
Please
We
no.
win.
Please no.
Ian.
I'm gone, ain't I?
Okay, I got an idea.
if you stop shooting,
Alright, I'll
I got
stop
this
giving hints
too.
until like 30 seconds.
Ah.
Literally, I will stop. I'll stop.
I win. I automatically win. Oh yeah.
Oh god, I see a wild Jacob.
Oh
Look, wrong
boy.
button.
I win. I win so
Yeah,
good.
Oh boy.
Like whenever you
Oh,
die,
guys,
you just
Jacob
have to
has to go.
spectate me, and you'll have to figure out like
Jacob has to
where
go.
I am. It'd be so hard to see where I am.
Oh,
Okay,
dang.
bye Jacob. Have a great day.
Who's that like standing
I know-
there? Oh,
No, I did not, but I know the perfect
what
hiding spot.
happened?
Ooh.
Oh man.
Well, I'm safe for now.
Who is that? Who is that? Who just walked by? Did you see me? Did you see me?
Not even seen it?
Oh.
I don't think there's anyone out there. I was watching a Scene
I'm
Anders
safe
video the other
forever.
day,
I'm
that
gonna keep
prison
this
one.
hiding
I like
spot.
that one.
Like,
That was
nobody
so
knows
good.
this hiding spot but me. Like I haven't seen any YouTuber online use this spot
I
ever.
drew the hand backwards.
What the?
No.
Hey man,
What
hey, man.
Oh man.
Is anyone spectating me right now? Can anyone
Opening those
spectate me?
doors like a
Did you just
loser.
remind me?
I don't
Whacking
know
on
where you
some-
guys are.
Whacking on some plants like
Oh
a
my god, did you
loser.
just go out the...
There's a table there.
Man,
Chris, you in here somewhere?
yeah, right here.
Jump.
I'm in the corner. I'm over here.
I'm
What
not.
the heck,
They're
Minecraft?
taunting us.
I don't understand.
I can't see
You
you.
will bring us each hope.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
What?
This is gonna end horribly. I'm stuck.
I'll
Where-
try
what-
to come
what?
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Where are you?
Look,
Chris,
look
where are
for
you?
a stuck person. Look for stuck.
Oh,
Yeah,
god.
but you know where I'm stuck?
Oh,
I
God.
better,
Oh, God.
I better hide. Hold on.
Friend zone.
Chris, are you in the basement?
Ugh.
Where is he?
I
I'll
can't,
try and
I
help.
can't jump
What?
and crouch or do anything. Okay, I can crouch.
lady.
That just messes. Oh my god. Guys, who's
go.
the tall thing? Which I'm not going to give away. But who's
Oh
the
my
tall
god, I
thing
see you.
that
I see
makes-
you. What the
Oh, that's
heck?
me. That's me. That's me.
It's
Jumping.
No, it's me.
Okay, well,
Shoot you?
No, it's me.
I can't see you.
well,
Yeah,
I'm
my
here.
vision right
Am I in a
now,
good
but-
spot or not?
Are you under there?
Yeah, do you see me?
Yes, I see you. That's a good spot, man. You're good. You're good, man. Oh crap! I'm screwed.
Yeah. Yeah, try it now.
Oh god.
You're all left.
I'm
Let
trying
me know that I'm 9 years old.
Oh my
Okay.
god.
Okay,
No.
wait, Chris is the only person down? Okay. Chris, you see me right now.
Yeah, I can see you right now.
Okay.
Is someone watching me?
Oh, I saw you.
Oh, you stop mashing them.
Oh
Stop
my
mashing
God.
them.
Just saying, you're a little bit. You're a little
Where
bit.
are
Oh,
you?
stop breaking
You're a
those
little bit
bottles.
higher.
That's bad for your feet.
Just don't do anything.
Oh well, no. Oh, stop messing with that. Oh, stop whapping that. We don't need an explosion of a propane tank.
I'm up for a toaster.
Oh,
Where
don't
is
mash
he?
that. That's bad. Oh wait, don't.
Oh my God, you're
stop!
still there.
Stop!
Wait, am I
jumping on
flying?
the toaster now.
You're a little
Stop trying
bit.
to break that.
Just a little.
Oh,
Okay,
wait.
guys, I'm
Oh, he's on top of the
which this
sink.
may-
Good job. You win.
Just calm down. Just calm down. We're all good.
If you get the right angle, I am flying. Okay, hold on, let me see if there's anything here. Nah, the room's clear.
Yeah, the room's clear.
Oh, you're back
Crystal
in.
clear.
You're back.
Okay,
oh,
I'm gonna put out
look.
there.
What the heck?
Look,
Oh my God.
Look, he's back.
Good job.
Oh, there's another.
Guys,
Oh,
45
stop jumping on the
seconds.
table.
You got this.
I can survive. Hopefully they don't come into the kitchen.
Oh.
Kitchen.
I've always been in the
Ah,
kitchen.
god dang.
Where are you guys? Tell
I've
me.
always been in the closet.
I'll give you a hint. I'm in the kitchen pretty much every
Yeah,
day.
I've been in the closet too.
I haven't come out. Literally, I'm playing in the closet. My computer and stuff's in my
Chris,
closet.
did anyone else see me do that? I was like, I'm in the kitchen. That was such a close call, too. 15 seconds left, I doubt they'll get me. Even though I'm stuck.
Oh wow.
in the-
You just saved
I was
yourself.
in
You
the
pretty
kitchen,
much
like in
just
my
saved
secret hiding
yourself.
spot.
Uh-oh. Hey,
Oh.
guys, come into the basement.
You guys, you guys wanna come find me and
Woo!
then like help me make
Are you
me?
serious?
Not in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that
Oh,
was like
boy.
the best hiding spot I was ever in.
Office.
What?
Did you find that doesn't lag your game out? Let's go to office.
No, guys, let's do
Oh
assault.
my
No,
god.
office. Office.
Office is better than assault.
Oh wow, here comes the map.
We
board.
play assault next because I got an awesome thing to do.
Guys, what is DE?
What do you want to do? You want to do Italy?
Dead. Evil.
Oh, man, I'm so cool. I switched.
Oh.
Okay, we gotta do DE new thing.
Office.
Oh my.
That one I got you.
Oh,
That was stupid.
wait, what time is it?
Summertime.
Yeah? Yeah?
Da da da
Time
da
for you
da
to
da
get a
da
watch.
da.
Time
We're
for-
switching maps and this is transition time. Da 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 da. I don't know.
Spawned yet? So that's
Oh,
not.
I see how it is.
I wanna
I
go
see how
by.
it is.
Alright.
You wanna share good hiding spots with your friends?
Oh wow, I have the best hiding spot in this map, but I'm not gonna show it off yet because
If I
like,
turned
just in
on
case you guys
screen sharing
join.
when any of you watch me draw.
All right, powerful, me and you, bud.
We're kind of
Okay.
Gmod
Oh,
right
damn.
now.
That's another person
Oh,
we
fuck
lost.
Do we
you.
set some rules on this map?
Okay.
Ja ja
Oh.
ja 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 ja. Yay,
Can
we
you just like
win.
join the call?
Yeah.
You could just join.
Tell him to join the call because he's
Well,
being
I
lazy.
friended him. Okay, why do I have to spectate?
Why? Oh
Dude,
crap.
Minecraft Sun
Chris,
wants you to
pick,
add
pick
him to
a
the call.
team. Do
There's error models everywhere.
errors.
Error models. It's all purple.
No, dude, he like, just got Gmod and stuff. So yeah.
It's all purple. I can't see anything. Oh great. Oh, I just kicked me out of Gmod.
What?
You timed it.
Why do you not have
Kicked me out
Counter
of
Strike?
Gmod. Oh great.
Oh.
Okay, Hunter, what shelf are you on?
So I'm gonna have to.
Dude, this is
spectate.
like-
That's all I can do.
Yeah.
What?
I'm spectating right now.
Oh my god.
Hey, Jacob's here.
Hey.
Woo! Hey. Hey.
Oh come on!
Hey.
Hey, LMAO.
Oh, what the heck? It moved.
Oh well, don't say anything because there's so
Go ahead,
many
Isaac.
hunting
Give
right
it a
now.
try.
When I join this game, I'm gonna see like error models. That's all.
Hey.
Down to black cheese. Guys, let's go to for the next map. Let's go to something that's not Counter Strike or anything, so that people can see it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, there
Well,
aren't
do,
any
do
Counter-Strike
something
maps
by
that are
Wolven,
prop
like
lane.
PH off, like anything with PH in front of it. I think will work.
That's the sucky
I
thing
think you
about
got
prop
5%
lane. There
health
aren't
left. How are you
any.
gonna spend it?
There's the only thing you can really play without Counter-Strike is
Like that.
like a little bit of Half-Life 2
I was gonna lose
and
anyway.
Good thing we were in the Skype call.
Is it just us three? Or
I
is there
watched
more?
that video.
okay.
No.
That.
That was me.
Yes!
Yeah, no, I was watching it. You're like, someone's like, good thing we're in the Skype. Oh.
Kinda don't want to go to.
Guys, guys, before the game starts, someone join a team.
I joined prop.
Oh yeah, you did
Alright.
watch that video.
Chris,
That was like
I'll-
the only prop hunt video we had. I had on my
I'll
channel at the
control.
time.
Okay.
If you're the bucket, you're gonna get shot. Oh. Dang it! My plan was to shoot the bucket.
Run, Jimmy, run! Oh no,
No,
wrong button.
no, 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 no,
Nope, nope,
no, 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 no.